Dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family, today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is ameliorate. Ameliorate. Ameliorate means to make better. Synonyms of ameliorate are better, improve. Example: the weather ameliorated toward evening. The weather ameliorated toward evening. Here ameliorate is an verb. And verb is one of the 8 parts of speech. A verb is a word that expresses action, state of being, or a relation between two things in a sentence. Example: she is smiling in front of the audience. That aeroplane was flying above the clouds. Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Bye!